earn more better future. Want to grow your money while you sleep? Let's talk about compound interest, one of the most powerful financial tools out there. So what is compound interest? It's when you earn interest, not just on your original investment, but on all the interest you've already earned. Picture a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. That's your money, compounding over time. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you invest $100 every month at 8% interest. If you start at age 20 and keep going till you're 60, you end up with over $300,000. But if you start at 30, that drops to around $140,000. Starting early turns time into your biggest advantage. Here's the math behind it. Don't worry, you won't be quizzed. The formula looks like this. Compound interest equals principal times 1 plus the rate divided by the number of times it compounds, all raised to the total number of periods. The key? The more often it compounds and the longer you let it grow, the more money you make. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's not about being rich, it's about being consistent and patient. Where can you use it? Think high-yield savings, accounts, retirement funds, index funds, and investment apps. Start small. Just start today. Remember, start early, stay consistent, reinvest your earnings, and let time do the work. Compound interest rewards patience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to earn more better future, and hit the bell so you never miss out on smart money moves.